So here's the nitrogen cycle that we drew in class. I'm going to explain it again. So nitrogen in the air is in this form. It's a nitrogen attached to a nitrogen. We call that N2. There's a lot of it, 78%. It's also in the soil because there's air pockets in the soil. So here it is. But plants can't use it. Animals can't use it, but it's a main part of our tissues. There's bacteria in the soil, nitrogen fixing bacteria, here it is, that takes this molecule and changes it into nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia. Basically, they've added oxygen here and here to the nitrogen, and here they've added hydrogen. Now, the plant roots can take it in. Plant then uses it and makes complex nitrogen molecules. How does it get into animals? We eat the plant, or another animal eats an animal. So now it's part of our tissue. In animals, it's part of our muscle. If the animal defecates, or the animal dies, or the plant dies, that nitrogen is kind of locked up in their tissue. So we need another kind of bacteria, decomposing bacteria, that turns it back into that simpler kind, the nitrates, nitrates, and ammonia. It can be used again by another plant. We also need the nitrogen to get back into the air. It's a cycle. It repeats itself. So there's another kind of bacteria called denitrifying bacteria, and they take the nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia and turn it back into N2. And now it's back in the air, and the whole thing can continue to happen. The only thing we haven't shown in our picture is that lightning can make N2 directly into these three compounds.